highlight for Wednesday, impeachment, the corona and everything else. We open up, go down, couple things, and this is the highlight for today, B2B moments. B2B, I can get into it. I've done webinars on it. It's bearish to bullish or bullish to bearish, one or the other. It's transition. In order to get good at predicting the market, it's important to get on the turns sooner rather than later. It's easy to know from here to here that the market's already bullish. Fifth grader could see that. But is there somewhere down in here you could ascertain that the market's going to get strong? Same thing in here. From here to here, it's bearish. Is there something in here you could ascertain it was going to get strong? I learned a new word. So the key in here was, in the room, there was a little price action, not in the numbers, just in the tempo. We went up and down, but in context where we went up and it didn't show a true head fake, but we went up and then came down quick. You don't see it in a chart. You don't even see it necessarily in a footprint. But when you're watching and you see that rally break, this is when I told people be careful long before the move down to here. Then what did we have right here? Same situation. We jumped. And I was bearish before I drew this circle right now. I thought they could extend this and go after this guy. But they had this jump. And then I told, here, that's a B2B moment. In this case, bearish to bullish. So before it rallies up to here. Now this is the, before it rallies up to here, you could be bullish. After it rallies up, and this is where people make a mistake, and a general weakness is they try to get long after they should already be long. They get addicted to the suspense. But here was the best thing about support resistance. Edge zones are great support, all right? They work better when they don't work. What does that mean? Well, the market went through them right in here and didn't really hesitate. And I told guys in here, this market's now bearish, bullish to bearish. Look for a rotation back up to this old support. It glided right through it without even hesitating. Sure enough, the downside was the right side. Same thing in here. It glides through this support. Now, the support already worked in here for the sideways chop, but glide through. It was already bearish. Shouldn't be picked off trying to buy it here. So when you have good support in this case, and it doesn't even stop at it, that's a B2B moment. That's a transitional moment. It doesn't matter the market you're trading, the time frame you're applying, the size you're trading, anything. You could be an investor, and it's important to find good locations or to change your mind and to transition. No matter your time frame, whether it's for seconds or for years, to put on a trade or an investment, you still have to get in and out real time. Therefore, you got to get better at reading the real time because that's going to create better locations. No matter your time frame, style, market, theory, locations are the name of the game. You could be wrong in direction, but with a great location, and you could actually make money. You don't have to get killed every time you're wrong. How many people are right and lose money? They were dead right. If the location was bad, they got shook out and it went. They were short because they seen something in here. They were short, but down here got shook out and then it's gone. They were long, but up here shook out, then it goes. Tell me how many times that happens. And if you're not raising your hand, you haven't been trading for any more than a few seconds. It's always about location. That's what you always work at. Not only getting good locations, but finding better locations and using the right tools, which are correlations and order flow, to continue to find your timing and get it better. Could be news events. Yesterday, I think I said it in this highlight, you got to watch for if this coronavirus surfaces in another country. It did, our country. State of Washington, we broke and broke pretty well. Not a coincidence. B2B moments, learn them and like them and subscribe to this channel. See you guys.